Imagine this for a moment. You wake up in the middle of a calm, quiet morning, wrapped in soft warm light, inside a space that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. You open your eyes, stretch your arms, and look around, and you're not in a house, you're inside the 2026 STX Scania with 3 massive slideouts. You stand up, walk across heated floors, grab a cup of fresh coffee from a full-size kitchen, and step out onto your patio while the sun rises over a quiet valley. This is the kind of motorhome made for people who want a life beyond ordinary, a motorhome that doesn't just take you to places, it changes the way you live on the road. Today, we're exploring the 2026 STX Scania 3 slide-out luxury motorhome, one of the most premium, apartment-style touring homes ever engineered. So let's step inside, because what you're about to see is a whole different world. From the outside, the 2026 STX Scania looks powerful, confident, and truly majestic. Built on the iconic Scania chassis, it blends supercar-grade engineering with the comfort of a rolling mansion. The redesigned front fascia for 2026 brings sharper LED light signatures, deeper contours, and a wide aerodynamic stance. The panoramic windshield gives the driver a cinematic view of the road, perfect for long scenic drives. As you walk along the side, you notice the 3 electric slideouts perfectly fitted into the body. When closed, they look seamless, but once opened, they transform the entire interior into a space nearly twice as wide as a traditional motorhome. The exterior storage is massive, with multiple underbelly compartments big enough for luggage, outdoor chairs, sports gear, even a motorcycle or e-bikes. Every storage door is powered, opening, and closing smoothly at the touch of a button. STX didn't design this coach just to impress, they designed it to dominate. As the main door opens, soft LED strips light the steps, welcoming you in. And the first thing you feel is space. Real, open, comfortable space thanks to the triple slideouts working together to create an apartment-like floor plan. The living lounge is absolutely stunning. With all the slideouts open, the lounge feels wide, bright, and beautifully arranged. A large L-shaped leather sofa sits at the center, facing a retractable 4K smart TV hidden cleanly inside custom cabinetry. The ceiling houses a built-in surround sound system, giving the entire living room a smooth, cinematic audio experience. Soft-touch walls, warm LED ambient lighting, and huge panoramic windows on both sides make this area feel like a luxurious city loft, just on wheels. Moving into the kitchen, the first thing you notice is how residential it feels. This isn't a typical RV galley. This is a proper, full-size kitchen with a refrigerator, freezer, induction cooktop, a deep stainless steel sink, a built-in oven, microwave, and smooth soft-close cabinets that feel premium to the touch. Thanks to the slide-out design, the kitchen never feels cramped. It flows naturally into the living area, giving you plenty of space to cook, prep, or enjoy long stays off-grid. The lighting is warm and perfectly balanced, making the whole space feel welcoming any time of the day. Right next to the kitchen is a cozy dining area built for 2 to 4 people. It's the perfect place for morning breakfast, evening dinners, or even working remotely while enjoying the view outside. With large windows surrounding the table, you're always dining with a beautiful view, whether you're parked in the mountains, near a lake, or by the beach. And now, let's step into one of the most loved areas in this motorhome, the bathroom suite. It feels more like a spa than an RV bathroom. You get a large walk-in shower with a rainfall showerhead, luxury tiles, heated towel racks, storage drawers for your essentials, a premium sink, and soft backlit mirrors. There's no tight corner or cramped feeling, just pure comfort and space that makes your daily routine feel elevated. Finally, we enter the master bedroom, one of the main highlights of the 3 slide-out system. When the slide opens, the bedroom transforms into a spacious private suite. Inside, you'll find a queen or king-size bed with storage underneath, a beautifully designed wardrobe, a dressing area, soft LED panels, reading lights, USB-C charging ports, wireless chargers, and the option of a TV mounted in front of the bed. The bedroom feels quiet, warm, and perfectly insulated from outside noise, giving you a peaceful, hotel-like sleeping experience wherever you go. But what truly makes the 2026 STX Scania special are its advanced features. You get independent climate zones, so the lounge, kitchen, and bedroom can all have their own preferred temperatures. A fully integrated smart control system lets you manage lights, blinds, climate, slide-outs, entertainment, generator, everything from one touchscreen panel or even your smartphone. The water and power capacity are huge, making it perfect for long off-grid trips. And the air suspension system gives you an ultra-smooth ride, even on rough roads. So, what makes this motorhome truly stand out? First, the triple slide-out design. While many motorhomes have 1 or 2 slide-outs, 3 slide-outs create a large, almost apartment-like interior that completely changes the feeling of space. Second, Scania's engineering means reliability and smooth performance on long-distance travel. Third, the interior is built at a level far beyond typical RVs. This feels like a modern luxury home. Fourth, the insulation and vibration dampening make the interior quiet, even while driving. And lastly, it gives you true lifestyle freedom, travel anywhere without sacrificing comfort or luxury. Now imagine this lifestyle for a second. You park this motorhome beside a calm, reflective lake. You open the slide-outs, letting the cool evening breeze flow inside. You cook dinner in your full kitchen, sit back on your soft leather sofa, and watch the sunset turn.